So this is the Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo and Conditioner for damaged hair. Hi there guys and welcome. Today's video I have a shampoo and conditioner review for you, and it is these. So this is the Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo and Conditioner for damaged hair, and that's exactly what mine is. It's damaged with all the bleach that I've used. But yeah, I've been using these for just over 2 weeks now, so I thought, yeah, let's get a little review in. Let's pop them back. So I have some footage of the very first time I used this shampoo, when I used a heat tool to dry my hair, and I also have some footage of me using it and letting it basically air dry, my hair air dry that is. So yeah, let's go over to that footage. But before we do, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Pop a little comment down below in the information box, let me know if there's any shampoos, conditioners, hair masks that you would like me to try out. But yeah, let's roll. Right, so I look a complete and utter mess. I do apologise. I've literally just woke up about 10 minutes ago, so I'm really excited to see what it's going to be like on my hair, because my hair is damaged. Let's take a closer look at my hair. Right, so this is what we are dealing with. My hair's really greasy at the moment. It is just flat, stuck to my head, and the ends are really dry. So we need some help to bring it back to life, try and make me feel human again. So yeah, I'm gonna go in the shower, I'm gonna go use these. I am not taking you in the shower with me, but after I've washed my hair, I'll put my face on, because I need something on this face, and I'll come back, we'll style my hair and look at the results from using this and see what's what. Right guys, so I just realised I totally forgot to show you the consistency of the shampoo and conditioner, so I'm just going to slot it in here. I hope you find it helpful. So let's start off with the shampoo first. Let's just pop some water on my hand so I can get it lathered. Right there, so I've just popped some in my hand and you can see the consistency. So you can see it's like a gel-like consistency. It's a bit like slime, to be honest, which is not a very nice way to describe it, but there we go. So yeah, let's lather it and see what kind of lather we get. So it feels really thick, luxurious, smells gorgeous, and there, look at that, just off that bit I put in my hands there. Like seriously, it's so thick, look, and that's it lathered, and it's still sticky and lovely. So yeah, what I do is I get in the shower, I wet my hair, I always lather the shampoo in my hands, then I rub it through my scalp, and yeah, then rinse out. So now the conditioner, and yeah, it is quite thick to a certain degree. It looks more thick than it is. The shampoo actually is thicker than this, I find personally, in any way. But yeah, it's still nice and buttery, and it's gorgeous on the hair. So after I've rinsed the shampoo out, I then pop some of this in my hand, obviously rub it around in my hand, and then I always kind of put conditioners from scalp to tip. A lot of people just put it from mid-length to tip, but I like to put it on my scalp as well. But there it is there. And then this stays on my hair. After I've done that, I'll wash my body, then I shave my underarms, I'll shave my legs and so on, and then I rinse the conditioner out. But yeah, it feels and smells just as gorgeous as the shampoo. Beautiful. So face on, let's get the hair styled. So the heat protectant we're going to be using is this one. It's by Schwarzkopf and it's the Keratin Heat Spray. Is my hair styled and I really like it. It feels nice, it feels light, it feels really good. So just to show you the shine, Yeah, that's really nice. So yeah, I can't wait to keep using this shampoo, see if I keep on liking it. The next time I wash my hair, I'm gonna let it dry naturally to see how I like that. But yeah, that will be in a few seconds. But in a few days for me. Right, so I've just washed my hair. I'm gonna let it dry naturally. I haven't put any products in at all. So let's see what it turns out like. Right, so it is night time. I actually washed my hair earlier on this morning. I totally forgot to come back when my hair was dry and do a little clip for you. So here I am now. So it's definitely dry, obviously, it's had all day. But this is what it looks like naturally. And I really love it, guys. I love it. And the best thing is, even though obviously I washed it today, I haven't brushed my hair during the day and nothing. When my hair dries natural, I then leave it. But look. Not one knot. How good is that? And without any heat at all, totally natural. Look at that shine. So yeah, I think this is getting a massive thumbs up from me. Yeah, so that is the footage of me using the shampoo and the conditioner. Again, I've literally just used it today. Before filming, and oh, guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. It smells gorgeous. My hair feels lovely. The bottom of my ends don't feel like straw. And again, look at that shine. I love it, and it's so cheap as well. In some places you can get it for like £2, and I'm sure I've seen it cheaper somewhere else as well. But if you are interested in purchasing this for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the information box and the comment box. I got mine in Boots, so I'll leave a link for Boots there. Go and treat yourself, try this out. My only wish was, I wish they did a hair mask to go with this, because I can only imagine how awesome the hair mask would be, because the shampoo and the conditioner are chef's kiss. That's all I can say. So it's nice to see in this one, the shampoo, it has got alcohol in as far as I can see, but it's quite low down on the ingredients list. On the conditioner, it is quite high up on the ingredients list. Yes, there's sulfates and so on in here, but I don't mind using them on my hair. I think they've been demonized, and there's no need to demonize them. Well, me personally, in any way, I say my hair's been absolutely fine. But guys, I really recommend this shampoo. I am so happy with my hair. My hair actually feels a little bit thicker using it too, which is always good. Lately it's been on a bit of the thin side, which is not good. But yeah, I can't get over that shine. Really can it. But yeah, massive thumbs up from me. But that concludes this video. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.